G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen. Welcome to this episode of the Scoop School podcast. Lovely to have you here. Look, why don't you just save yourself some time, hit subscribe, hit the little bell, and look, every time we have some content come up, which we're trying to get product out every single day, you get a little bell saying, hey, Steve's in your inbox. Open him up, have a bit of a chit chat. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Not subscribing, although I think you should. We are going to talk about cloths, rags, and towels, and which of those three terms you should not use. Before we do so, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is the Chocolate Shop Ice Cream Company. Dave and Sarah Dedman and all the crew there have been making ice cream for multiple generations. So look, if you want a great quality, unique ice cream that simply comes to you in a 3-gallon tub or some other container, you don't necessarily want to make your own, but you want to sell high quality ice cream, crikey, again, allergies drive me crazy here. You want to have a look at chocolateshopicecream.com. Better still, give Dave, Sarah, or one of the crew up there at Chocolate Shop Ice Cream a call. Their website is chocolateshopicecream.com, and Shoppy is spelt S-H-O-P-P-E, chocolateshoppyicecream.com. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Look, this is going to be a quick one, but it's something I'm very, very passionate about. When we have a Scoop School class happening here in St. Louis, Missouri, or we're taking the show on the road, doing consulting in people's stores, there is one word that I cannot stand heard. It is the word that shall not be named or spoken, and that's the word rag. So every single ice cream shop is more than likely using some sort of cloth or towel like this. If I'm not using a paper towel, single-use paper towel, which is probably the best so far as not spreading allergen and dairy around the place, a lot of places just for convenience and cost are using these. This is a microfiber towel that I got at Walmart. So I use these a lot down here at our Scoop School facility and when we're training in people's stores. Please, please, please do not call this a rag. There is nothing worse than going into someone's ice cream shop or any food service location and hearing someone behind the counter say, hey, pass me that rag. It sounds like this cloth or towel was used to check their oil and out of their dipstick in the back of the shop where their car's parked, and now they're using the same thing to wipe down the counter or the tables where you and your family are just about to eat. This is a cloth. This is a towel. It's not a rag. In fact, I'm so passionate about it that when we ran our stores here in St. Louis, we actually had a $1 penalty for any of our employees that use the R word. We still do it in our Scoop School classes today. One of the first golden rules, you cannot use the R word because it just sounds so non-food service, non-high level, health conscious. So please do me a favor, enact into your business a rule, whether you put a penalty on it or not, that says you can't call one of these a rag. Sounds absolutely terrible. Even in non-food service environments, even when I hear the word rag, I get the prickles stand up on the back of my neck. This is a cloth or a towel. Put a penalty on it, do whatever you want, but I think it's just a little thing, but it's one of those little elements that make a difference in why people come to your store versus another store down the street where someone's using rags to clean up their tables. Anyway, just a quick one, an easy one, but very, very important so far as I'm concerned. Not rags, cloths, or towels. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Thank you very much to our episode sponsors. Look, if you want to be a sponsor of one of the websites or one of the webisodes, podcasts that we do, drop us a line, steve@scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.